Snapshots ease up your work by offering a way to save all your specific settings. Both IntelliMix Focus and IntelliMix Pro give you the option to use snapshots. You can save the settings of each channel or of the whole mixer. Channel snapshots include all settings of a channel. They can be called up from each channel's menu. One snapshot can be used for multiple channels. You can also save the settings of the whole mixer in a so-called mixer snapshot. The mixer snapshot can be called up from the main menu to be found in the IntelliMix master display. Mixer snapshots include all channel parameters and major settings like fader behavior, display brightness and color, headphone or loudspeaker volume, and the assignment of each channel. Every user can create and save snapshots, but only the administrator can create write-protected snapshots. That's why there are two different categories of snapshots, depending on the type of user who created the snapshot. The first kind of user is the administrator. The administrator can save an auto-login default snapshot, which is automatically loaded every time your IntelliMix is started. The auto-login default snapshot secures the defined parameters to remain. It can only be overwritten by the administrator. Additional snapshots can be loaded, saved and deleted by anyone. They are called user snapshots. These user-specific snapshots can be created whenever a user is logged in. They are saved in an area which can only be accessed by the user who created them. Let's have a look at how to work with snapshots. Open the menu and tap Snapshots. There you have the option to create a new snapshot and name it, to override an active snapshot by loading another one, or to save or delete a snapshot. Snapshots can be directly saved on your IntelliMix. On top, you get the option to save and load them from an SD card, which can be inserted into the SD card slot of the IntelliMix control unit. To further ease the use of snapshots, assign them to quick buttons to get even easier access. To use quick buttons, first activate the quick button view in the master menu. Choose Admin, tap Display and activate quick buttons. Then open the menu again and press Snapshots. Tap and hold the snapshot of your choice to assign it to one of the 4 quick buttons. The colors of the quick buttons show you which one is active, ready for use, or which quick button is empty.